if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe and make sure you comment down below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and today's video will be on, if you haven't already guessed it, how to be successful on YouTube. Yes, another one of these videos. But guess what? You haven't even seen mine yet. So after this video, if you enjoy it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and make sure you click subscribe. Subscribe to your girl channel. All right, so before we jump in, I just want to check on y'all to see how y'all are doing. So how you doing? Are you good? Are you great? Are you okay? Okay, I hear a lot of goods. I hear some okays. And I hear some people not even saying anything, but that's okay because you're probably still trying to figure out how you're doing, which is fine. All right, so without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, you guys, so I will be providing 4 tips that I think will be beneficial to you to help you become successful on YouTube. So the first one that I have down is you have to have thick skin. You gotta have thick skin because when you post your video on YouTube, you are basically putting something out there for the world to see. You have to be ready for the world. You have to be ready for the internet because we all know
the internet has no chill.
So you have to have thick skin. If somebody dislike your video, what you gonna do? You gonna stop making videos? You're not gonna do that, okay? You're not gonna let somebody run you out your own house, and that's what I'm not gonna let you do. They may go through all 1,000 of your comments, yes, because that's how much time they have on their hands. They're gonna go through all your comments and see that you have nothing but positivity on there, and they're gonna be like, post their negative comment. So you gotta make sure that you have some thick skin. And I know you probably saying, well, I have thick skin, honey. Once again, the internet has no chill. Which brings me to my second one. You have to have a strong mind as well. So whatever you came here for, that's what you're going to do. Whatever you're passionate about, whatever you want these folks to see, that's what you're gonna do. You gotta have a strong mind. You can't let nobody run you out your place. When you have your channel, that's like your home. That's your place. That's your place of business. So say for instance, you have a store. You've been having this store for 15 years. And somebody come in there after 15 years and tell you, I hate these walls. Why did you paint them yellow? You should have painted them blue. After 15 years, you mean to tell me you gonna shut your business down? You've been having an ice cream parlor for 20 years. And they say, oh my goodness, this strawberry ice cream is disgusting. You gonna stop your business? No, you gonna keep going. There's people in this world that's just what they do. So you gotta have thick skin, you gotta have a strong mind, and you gotta be consistent, okay? Be consistent, don't give up. You keep putting your work out there and everything else will fall in place. Talk to the camera, gaining views, gaining subscribers, all that's gonna come with time because the more you cut that camera on, the more you do whatever it is that you're doing, the better those thumbnails will be, the better the communication will be talking to your audience or your fam.
Or your home skillet biscuit.
Do people even say that anymore? Yeah, I'm so lame. Talking to, you know, your homies. You just have to be consistent. All your videos may get 4 views and you keep posting videos, and you might post your 100th video and it go viral. And you're like, wow, it took me 100 videos just for y'all to notice me? So be consistent and don't give up, because if you give up, you'll come back and be like, oh my goodness, I wonder where I would be if I wouldn't have stopped. It's now 2025. Okay, oh, if I haven't stopped making videos in 2021, I wonder where I could have been today. Or I wonder where I could have been today if that person hadn't have told me that they don't like the way I put my hair in a ponytail. So you mean to tell me that you're going to stop making videos because somebody told you that they don't like your ponytail? No, you ain't gonna do that. So don't let nobody run you out your own house, okay? Because they will try. And if they run you out your own house, guess what? They won. Don't let nobody that you ain't never laid eyes on run you out your own house. You think I'm finna let somebody come knock on my door and be like, hey, I see your mortgage is paid, so and your house is good, but you need to get out. You think I'm finna go somewhere? Nah. This is my place. This is my house. Your channel, that is your house. Don't let nobody run you away. Build you up some thick skin. You may think you have some thick skin, but as soon as you post something out here for the world to see, just because one person doesn't like you, that don't mean that. That should be expected. And you should be happy of that too, because the people that 9 times out of 10, the people that don't even like your video, they're the ones that's watching it all the way through. And another one, be receptive. Be receptive of the constructive criticism that you're receiving from your audience. If they tell you, if you're making a video and they say, I like the way that video is, but next time, don't use the flashing lights because that's really distracting. Are you going to keep using that flashing light? Especially if one person made the comment and 400 people liked it, that one comment, are you still going to use that light? I will hope not. Just to be honest, because it's like, when you putting stuff out here and you're putting this out here for your audience, you got to be receptive of them. That's just like you go to a restaurant and they make your meal wrong. And 9 times out of 10, the manager is going to come out and say, oh, can we make this over for you again? Or would you like something else? Would you like for me to take this off of your ticket? What can I do for you to make you happy? Okay, what can I do to make the experience better, to make you keep coming back? So that's kind of like how your audience are. So you got to be receptive. So you got to have thick skin. You got to have a strong mind. You got to be consistent and not give up. If you give up, you really won't be successful, because you have stopped all because of one person, or all because of 200 people. Don't stop. I'm not gonna let nobody stop me, and I don't want nobody to stop you. And lastly, you got to be receptive. Okay, take the constructive criticism and look back on it, and you may say, oh yeah, because I watched this video and I can see how that could be distracting. So be receptive. So these are my 4 tips on how to be successful. Keep in mind there are other tips as well, but these are my 4 tips that you can add on to your list if you have a list or whatever you have going on to help you become successful. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe and make sure you comment down below. Until next time, peace.